Hey everyone, welcome back to the Race Fice Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are going to be making some grilled Scotch eggs. If you like what we're doing, please go ahead and hit that subscription button, give us a like, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Here we go, let's get cooking. Alright, you ready for an easy recipe that's going to knock your socks off? Get ready, this is it. Okay, so today we're going to be making some Scotch eggs. If you don't know what Scotch eggs are, they are boiled eggs inside a sausage. Usually they are breaded and fried, but today we're going to do something a little less traditional and we're going to grill it. So this is going to be great. First thing we're starting with is a pound of pork breakfast sausage, and I'm going to cut this into quarters and flatten them out. Then we're going to peel the eggs, put them in, wrap them up, rub them, throw them on the grill. So let's start. I have roughly quarters here. Okay. So then you're going to want to flatten these out pretty thin because this is going to wrap around the egg. We're going to do that for all four of these. Okay, that's all we're looking at. Flatten them out, get them on here. What we're going to do to get these off in a little bit, just slide your knife underneath them. That loosens it right up. So next, we're going to get to the eggs. Now these eggs I've already cooked. I didn't want to go through the whole boiling process with you, but I boiled them for 5 minutes and then immediately put them into a ice bath to stop the cooking. I want to try to make these soft boiled, so there's a little runny yolk in the center. I've made these a few times. I haven't had that luck yet, but hopefully this is the time. So you got to be careful with these because these aren't as these are more delicate than regular hard-boiled eggs, so you don't want to break them in your hand. So the key is just to tap around, break the egg with the spoon. Then you should be able to peel it off pretty easily. This is really a delicate egg, like it's jiggly, so you know that yolk is still runny inside. This one lost kind of a bit of the white with the peel or with the shell, but that's okay. So I'll end up doing the rest with these and then we'll be right back. Okay, now that we got all the eggs peeled, we're going to go ahead and roll these up. Again, these are going to be delicate. So you just want to kind of pinch all the meat around it. Until it comes into a nice, fully wrapped ball. Don't want to really handle it too much because the fat will start to render and break down. We're going to want that for when we're cooking. So we're going to do all four of these. We'll be right back when we're about to put it on the grill. We're going to try to cook around 250, 275 for the duration of the cook, so we don't cook the centers too much. So let me wrap these. We'll be putting these on the grill in a second. Okay, before we throw them on the grill, we're going to hit them with whatever rub you want, your favorite rub. Right now, I'm using Pork Mafia Memphis Mud. This stuff's great on anything, especially pork. So I hit it with a nice little coating of that right on top. All right, we're going to get this grill fired up and get these put on. All right, let's get these bad boys on the grill. I did notice as I was bringing it over, I had one egg that punctured and was runny, so let's hope the other three don't break during cooking or transfer. So let's get these on. All right, so these are gonna go on for probably about 35 to 40 minutes before I come back and hit them with a final glaze and then let that glaze set up. All in all, we're going to be on here anywhere from 45 to 55 minutes. So we'll come back when it's time to glaze. Okay, these have been on for about 35 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and give them a sauce glaze. See, those are looking really nice. We're about to make them look nicer. And with this, we're just looking for a glaze. We're not really trying to sauce it up too much, so just put a thin layer of sauce on here for a little extra flavor. The sauce we used today was Oklahoma Joe's Barbecue Original Barbecue Sauce. All right, let's close it up. Let it finish up. These bad boys are done. Total grill time of about 50 minutes, 50. About 30 minutes, 35 minutes, no sauce. Last 15, 20 minutes sauced. Let's cut this open so I can show you what it looks like inside. Yeah, didn't get the runny egg again, but it still looks fantastic. Just got his face here. So good. This is great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You got the egg and the sausage kicked up a notch. Check it out. Try it. If you like what we're doing here, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you around. Cheers. Try this. Let me know what you think. Take care.